Right there, in this video, we're going to look into Cardano. The orange text are the accumulation cycle stages. The blue text are the distribution cycle stages of the Wyckoff method. We'll come back to this picture in a minute. We'll go to the daily view first to see, the battles between the bulls and bears in the short term. Remember, these are education content only, not financial advice. And the project success depends on many factors. We talk about these multiple dates that will get confirmation about, where the price is potentially heading, okay? The confirmation of the trend. The two C's that I use to share with the community, the first C is continuation, meaning continuing with the downtrend. The second is change, meaning breaking resistance of a trend and changing the short-term path that it has been on. So last time we talked about by May 26th, 27th, we'll get two confirmations potentially, okay, depending on whether it has broken out. Unfortunately, we've got both. That means the C continuation happened on both days. Two confirmations, okay, being rejected not only from those horizontal or like there's higher low support lines, but also the ceiling. You see those two times clearly over here, right? However, if we extend this downtrend channel box, yesterday and today kind of trying to give us the confirmation that the downtrend may be over. Just a maybe, because it's very risky right now, tricky. So it can be a fake bull situation. So yesterday, the price kind of edged almost outside of the channel. Today, it tried again. So it seems like it is flattening out. So if we look at the level over here, it is slightly below the level of end March. So it's a bit interesting, right? It is trying to consolidate at a lower level. Previously, I talked about this. If it really drops below this white dash line, we see the higher lows, okay? End March, mid-April, end of April, and it was struggling over here. It was breaking, trying to break, and eventually broke it. The next support should be around the blue key level of 0.223. Reason being February 6th. Okay, the price came down to test this level. Not only that, in the past, in 2023 June, the lowest point of that accumulation cycle ended up around this blue line. So while this downtrend seems to be taking a pause, okay, seemingly trying to edge out sideways, don't be caught off guard thinking it may not drop further. So from this point to the blue line, there's still like 3 to 4%. It's not a lot, but still a possibility. So I'm trying to let you know what can potentially happen. So in June, if, okay, let's say this is developing into a less steep downtrend, a more gradual one now. Okay, if this is indeed a more gradual downtrend that's being developed, okay, maybe people are thinking things are going to get back to normal or less crazy at least, and they are, trying to allocate a little bit of money to riskier assets to front run some other people. Okay, let's assume. How do I draw this? I take a look at this, I take a look at this, and this as well. So not also over here. Not a lot of points, just around 4 points, but good enough as of this moment. Let's see if that's the case. Okay, we have to look at what's going to happen by mid-June. This is now pointing to June 14th. Okay, we're taking this 15 bars, around 2 weeks trend, okay? From the initial first steep trajectory to a less steep trajectory. So if this is really the case, while the price is, using the previous ceiling as support, let me shrink this medium-term box, so it's not blocking your view. Okay, so here, now it is trading along this line, like playing a slide, right? So whether or not it is going to continue to trade sideways and eventually get rejected by this ceiling around the 5th and 6th, meaning next week when we come back we're in rotation. So I might as well talk about this now, because next week we're not going to cover Cardano. We're going to probably talk about Chainlink, TON, and LTC. So here, it may get rejected around next weekend, and then come to challenge the 0.223. And by the week after, around mid-June, the 2Cs happen again. Either it continue with the trend, meaning breaking this key level. Remember over here, February 6th, briefly break that level again, similar to what it did in June. Okay, that level may, be broken for a short while, unless it is doing something like the 2018 or like second part of 18 all the way to the beginning of 2021, unless it is doing that kind of dive to accumulate at that sort of low level. Otherwise, the base case is still around here, taking reference of the 2003 accumulation cycle. Okay, we're very close to that low. It may test it again and may go slightly lower. Let's hope it stops over there if it does. But anyway, like I said, by mid-June, we'll get an answer. Okay, if it finds support, break outside of the downtrend, coming back to retested 0.258 purple key level, that's perfect. Okay, that's what we want to see. But if it drops further, I already told you, it can happen, and it can happen even worse. So there was precedent. So what about the big picture? In the Wyckoff view, previously when I shared, I said, okay, it is going through the stage where the panic sell continues and the whales get in. So it's like not moving much, but it's only because the whales are buying at those locations. And we may be entering the panic over stage, because if we look at the volume, it has gone to very, very low. Okay, so we are potentially going through that stage. And what we want to see is an automatic rally if that's the case. Meaning, if we take reference from what happened over here, okay, in 2022 December, in stepping into 2023, there was a little mini rally, what we call automatic rally in the Wyckoff method. And then subsequently, there was a sign of strength. So those are the two stages we want to see. Sometimes there's no sign of strength. Okay, after automatic rally, a little bit of track back, the price already shoot to another distribution cycle. But that depends on the macro environment. Okay, what kind of news are lining up for the whales to push to the media, and then people will think, oh, it's time to buy, and then they all FOMO in, pushing the price up. And then eventually when those news dies down, those comes in, okay? So that's where we are now in terms of Cardano. And if you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, like the current channel members, join them now. And you can find my weekly write-up on Substack at SLX. See you in the next video. Thank you.